The imperatives of legislation can never be overemphasized. Technological advancement, artificial intelligence, time has come that we need to update the laws that govern how education will be treated. As such, in this kind of August gathering, it is very important and imperative for us to look into the existing laws that has established NECO and its mandate in a view to addressing issues of time, issues of technological advancement, issues of artificial intelligence. Before I stood to this podium, I was whispering with the chairman of the House Committee, and he said to me, it's very important. I asked him, have you received any submission from NECO for review of their laws? He said, probably after this retreat. And I also whispered to the registrar of NECO, and I said to him, my brother, I'm proud of you as the first Nigerite to be the registrar of NECO that we are the landlord of. NECO is a brainchild of Niger State. From Imbem to NECO. So Niger State is so pleased to have NECO headquarters situated in the state capital. I said to him, are you thinking of artificial intelligence and its challenges to examination? He said one of the issues that needs to be discussed in this retreat. I wish I could stay here for a day or two to discuss these issues. I've been in other retreats like this, of this nature, where challenges of technology to true examination testing must be redefined. Exam malpractices must be redefined. While we were growing up, we had 4-figure tables. While we were coming up, you couldn't use calculators in the exam. But now you are using computer to write exam. But the laws that are governing NECO are obsolete and they do not recognize these challenges. So this retreat is timely. It calls on my colleagues at the National Assembly to double up and make sure that we are with speed, with time and innovation. Let me appreciate all of you for taking out time, most especially my older brother, Your Excellency, Distinguished Senator Oji Uzor-Kalu. You are a veteran executive and also a legislator. We need to expand this retreat beyond this hall to all stakeholders in this country and beyond, because NECO has been able to provide stewardship in examination administration across the country and beyond the country. So we need inputs on how we can address the speed of technology and innovation as well as examination malpractices. A lot of people would see the use of computer and artificial intelligence now as examination malpractice. But beyond now, it is the way forward. So it is high time that NECO and the National Assembly look at innovation and technology as the way forward and amend laws to adapt to to technology and time. So without much ado, let me thank you all for making time to come for this retreat and also for honoring me as a chairman of this retreat. On behalf of myself and the people of Niger State, we are agrarian and we are farmers. Our job is in the field. We want to thank you very much that after legislation of NECO, we should look into the legislation on agriculture. Thank you and God bless you.